Here we are, back with a little vlog. It's been a while since I last did a vlog, so just going on a little bike ride here around Fernie. Gonna utilise my lift pass. Should be a bit of fun, see what trails we find. What a lovely view here in the Provincial Park. Yo! It's a pretty cool trail, this one. It's called Ben Emmett. It sort of links the Provincial Park to the ski hill. And yeah, once I get to the ski hill, I'm going to take the lift up. And we're going to try and find these two trails I've not ridden yet. One is called New Goat and one is called Verboten, I think. So yeah, it should be a fun ride. Oh, look at this lovely little meadow. Oh. Got the lift pass. Let's get on the lift. And just like that, we're on the lift. Now that I'm sat on the lift, I mean, it's pretty good views, but I'm really tempted to do a little flow trail while I'm here, and then we'll go up the lift the second time, and then we'll continue off into the proper trails. Yeah, why not? Thank you. Yeah, cheers. Okay, here we go into Mr. Burns. A little flow trail. Might be a little rough on the trail bike, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's so rough. So many birds. Whee. Little rolling. This bike's fast. So I've been lapping these trails on my downhill bike the past couple of days, and it's definitely much better on the bumps and the rough stuff. But this bike just rolls so quick. This section's pretty fun. Like, it's only a green, and there's like so many double. What a lap. Definitely pretty glad on my decision. Oh, I almost went down. The leg pump is crazy, but it's so fun. This is a pretty fun trail. Oh yeah. Little double. Whoa. That's pretty much it. Very quick lap down. Look at that. It's a pretty nice spot. So yep, got up the lift. Now we're going to try and find the trails. Bumped into Sam on the lift, so nice chatting to him. But anyway, I think we're going to head towards New Goat. I think we have to do a bit of traversing to get to it. And yeah, drop into some natural tech trails. Dropping into megahertz. Basically all these trails I'm riding now are brand new to me, so keep it easy, not do anything too stupid. Oh, tight. Oh. Here we are. I don't know if you can see the sign that well, but new goat, double black. So this could be interesting. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's have it. Yeah, it's all right so far. Oh, this is sick. Oh, it's so rough. Oh, pretty exposed there. Don't want to fall off the edge of the trail. Oh! Oh! What's under a tree? I almost lost it on a route then. I have no idea which way I'm going. Guess we're going this way. Oh! That was so sick. I just rode under a tree. Wasn't expecting that. Pretty good. Alright, and we're off. Bit of a climb, so I guess I'll just see you at the top. Huh. Some pretty big trees here. Pretty big old growth cedars, I believe. Look at that. That is sick. Let's get a photo next to that one. That looks insane. Let's get a little photo. Whoa. Look at that for a view. Sheesh. Here we have a bit of bear poo. So, we are in Canada, so it turns out bears do exist. And there we go. That's the second bit of bear poo I've seen on the trail. So, maybe I'm following a bear right now. Here we are. There's a sign. It says Verboten. It looks like pretty dense wood, so I've actually just taken my sunnies because I would like to be able to see where I'm going. Oh, it's rough and it's tight. Oh, look at the dirt, feels so good. Oh. 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 Nice. Oh, it's so rough. Oh, we're flying. Oh. Off the log. Oh, we're back into it. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're taking the high line. Oh, bit of a compression. Oh, oh. Oh. It's kind of loamy and it feels so nice. Oh, oh. That's so rough. My bike's getting shaken to pieces. Oh, the inside. Oh, oh, that was kind of nice. Felt like I got that pretty good. That section just then. Oh, it's tight. It's a tight bridge. Oh. So currently on a trail called Stove. It's a nice little climb up, and I've decided that I'm gonna ride Eric's trail once I get to the top of here, and then ride back up to then do Red Sonja, because I could just link across to Red Sonja, but I don't know, I've got time before work to try and get 2 more good trails in. Just means a fair bit more pedaling, but it's going to be worth it because I've ridden Eric's before, but I've not ridden Red Sonja, so I kind of have to check it out. It's so pretty. I sure do love the taste of plasticky water. Another pretty nice view. I'll have some drink. I might have some food as well actually before we drop into this one. Banana number 2 of the ride. Okay, here we go. Gonna ride Eric's Trip. This is the start. I've ridden this trail a couple times, so this should be quite a fun lap to do. Yo! Actually, while I think about it, I'm gonna take my glasses off. There we go. Let's continue. That's so sick. A little gap into the bridge. Yeah! Oh, that's so much fun. Here we go into the next section. Oh! And then this section's pretty fun as well. Let's go! Yo! That's so sick. Oh! I think that section might have been redone recently. It's running pretty good. Okay, this little trail's called Micmac. It's only short. Okay, now it's time to head up to Red Sonja. Got a bit of a climb ahead of us, but it'll be worth it, I hope. Heard good things about this trail. All right, so we're heading up Fat Bastard. Pretty technical climb, which keeps it quite interesting to be fair, so we should be at the top in no time. And it's pretty dry, so should be able to ride all these route sections. Here we are, into Red Sonja. Let's see what it has in store for us. So far so good. This is sick. Yo! That was a sick little jump. Yeah! Oh, that's a flat corner. New trail feature ahead. Yo! Oh, that was tight at those trees. Oh! Fails. Oh! Oh! That was a bit of a weird jump. Whoa, this is sick! Yo! I wasn't expecting this. Whoa! Oh, he's gone deep. Yo, sick. I wasn't expecting that. And then last little bit now. Oh, look at this. And then we jump over a car. Yo! That is Red Sonja. And I guess it's time for me to head back and have some food and then go to work. See you at the next one.